What's up, Chrissy Crew? It's your girl Chrissy, and I'm back with another video. I'm showing y'all how I install this 5x5 closure wig from UNice or UNicehair. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't usually do closures, but this right here, this closure right here is bomb. Okay, it came in a box. I'll tell y'all, this box had a whole bunch of goodies in it. Like, all the goodies are kind of up right now. So first things first, it came with a robe. Okay, it came with a robe, 2 bonnets, a headband, a makeup brush, another headband, and some lashes. It came with 2 packs of these. It came with a little baggie for your hair. I might be missing something, I don't know, because it was a lot of stuff and I was just taking everything out. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get right into it. So this is the closure wig. It's not gonna be hard to put on at all. Like, I'm about to finish this in like 2 seconds. I bleached the knot and I plucked it. Yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing y'all are gonna see me do is take my foundation and put it on the lace just to, you know, match my skin tone. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Yes. So I take my hot comb and then I make sure it's flat before I start putting on the glue. I do put 3 layers of glue on. Oh my god, this is going so fast. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I'm placing the wig exactly where I want it to be before I go ahead and press it down and melt it in. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and take some got2b spray and spray it across the hairline, and then use the elastic band that they sent me and tie it around. The hair still was a little damp, so I went ahead and blow dried it while lace band was melting the lace. And then after that, I went ahead and took my scissors, cut down the middle, and then took my razors and went ahead and cut off the excess lace. Now, after doing that, I went ahead and took the makeup that was on my foundation brush and put some more on the lace, and I also cleaned it up with some alcohol because there was like a little bit of glue left on my forehead. Now I'm just making my part in the middle so I could go ahead and start parting it and making sure that it's flat. I do use She Is Bomb wax stick, so I just part it in parts, and then I take my hot comb and I make sure it's as flat as possible. My hot comb is all the way at 450 degrees, so you know, just make sure y'all don't burn yourself. But yeah, so I do that to this side, and I also do the same thing to the other side. So now we're gonna get into my favorite part, which is the baby hairs. So in order to make the closure look like a frontal, the baby hairs have to be on point, I feel like, because yeah, like, I feel like the baby hair really ties it in. You don't really need baby hairs, but if you're doing baby hairs, you have to make sure it looks, you know, good. So usually I'll just part the baby hair, pluck it, and then I cut it. And I take my mousse, my styling mousse, and I just play with it. I'm a perfectionist when it comes to baby hairs or anything in general, so it takes me a little minute to do the baby hair exactly how I want it. But I love how this look turned out, so enjoy me just playing with my baby hair. And actually, a tip that I could give you guys, the end of the baby hair, I usually just stick it under the part of the wig that is not the closure part, if you get what I'm saying. So the end could just stay, like, you see what I just did there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Part it, pluck it. You could curl it if you want to, but I didn't have my flat iron on at the time, so I just went ahead and didn't curl it. But yeah, take my mousse and mold the baby hairs however you want it. Stick the ending under the wig, and you should be good after that. And I also use some got2b spray just to hold it in place. Later on, I do brush the baby hairs out. So this part, I swear, I'm just now learning how to curl my wig, so it's a little hard. I'm getting better, but I do get really annoyed because it's like, why is it not turning out exactly how I want it? But overall, I feel like I did a pretty good job. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I curled this side. I didn't record the other side, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I did this side. And yeah.
Purchase your tracks today.
This is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do feel like I need to work on my curling, but you know, I just had to show off that this was body wave. I couldn't do it. I couldn't straighten it even though I want to. Probably tomorrow when I go out, I'll straighten it. I really do love this hair. It's really soft, really fluffy, real full. And yes, if you guys want to see more of these videos of me, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.